To fix File Explorer not responding in Windows 10, go to Start, then select Settings. Click on Apps. Now click on Default Apps. Then scroll down and click here to reset the Microsoft recommended defaults. Close all windows. Now again go to Start icon, right click on it, then select Run. And you have to type here msconfig and click on OK. Now go to this Services tab. OK, here check this option to hide all Microsoft services. Then click on Disable All. Now click on Startup tab. Then click on Task Manager and disable all background running apps. And close this. Click on Apply. Then OK. Then open any folder on your desktop. Now go to View area. Click here to expand options and click on Change Folder and Search option. On General tab, click here and select this PC option. Now in the Privacy area, you have to uncheck these two options. Then go to View tab, go down and search for Show Preview Handlers in Preview pane and uncheck it. Now click on Apply and then OK. Now restart your computer. I'm sure that your problem will solve. You are good to go.